I'm in a 2014 Infiniti Q50, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your system language between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this currently is, and that everything's booted up. But from your home menu here, we can do settings, and then we'll scroll to other, and then in here there's language and units. So we'll select this language, click on there, and we can do English, Spanish, or French. Let's say we want Spanish, and we'll hit C, and then it'll just auto update. Might take just a few moments, but that's it. It'll also auto-save. And then I speak English, so I'm going to switch this all back to English. So from the main menu, we'll do this configuration, and then we will scroll over to Otro. And then here in Idioma, we'll switch it back to English and confirm. But I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.